Consumer Cellular flip phones, like the Alcatel Go Flip 4 or TCL Flip 2, use menu-based navigation to set the time and date. First, unlock your phone and press the Menu button to access the main menu. Then, navigate to Settings using the keypad arrows and Select button. Look for options like Phone Settings or Clock and select Time and Date. Here, manually enter the current time in 12 or 24-hour format, the date in MMDDYYY format, and select your time zone. Some models might offer automatic updates via network sync, but most require manual input. Remember, accuracy depends on your input, so double-check everything. Incorrect settings can affect alarms and call logs. Also, manually adjust for daylight saving time, as these phones don't typically do it automatically. Ensure the phone is powered on for the changes to take effect. Speed dial allows quick, one-press dialing of frequently called numbers. Open your phone book or contacts menu. Select the contact you want to assign. Press and hold the desired number key, typically 2 through 9, and the phone will prompt you to assign the selected contact. Up to 9 speed dials are usually supported. They draw from the phone's SIM card or internal memory, so ensure the contact is saved there first. Once assigned, press and hold the number to call that contact. This feature is especially useful for frequently called numbers or emergency contacts. Remember, the phone must be unlocked to use speed dial.